Thomas raced into the docks. "We need to unload quickly," the dock manager called. "But don't worry, we'll try and keep your new freight cars clean." "That's okay," puffed Thomas. "My freight cars would rather be useful than clean." Just then, James puffed into the docks. "Look at your freight cars," boasted James. "Filthy again, not like mine." James tried to pull away, but his troublesome trucks didn't want to be clean anymore. Hold back, they chuckled. Just then, Cranky's cable snapped. He dropped a large crate of melons. "Bother," huffed James. "James," tooted Thomas, "I think freight cars like to be useful rather than clean." And all the trucks agreed.